Hi, I'm Mike, Managing Director of SmartPack. We're a family-owned business that have been renovating kitchens, wardrobes, home offices and laundries for the past 30 years. Over the past few months, many people have asked us questions like, how do I save money around the house? I want a new home office or laundry. Where do I begin? What are the right accessories for me and what can I fit in? So we have decided to share with you some of our gems in a video series we call The Secrets of SmartPack. This is the 6th in the series where we'll look at Flatpack projects for a rainy day. Firstly, have you been thinking about a new kitchen? Take the time to consider the layout of the kitchen, plan the cabinetry and the finishes. What about your appliances? Have you got the specifications? Use our ready-to-use templates on the SmartPack Kit website. It's a great way to start. Is your home office bulging with files and papers? Have a look at our storage solutions and plan to declutter your home office space. Finally, what about the bathroom? We have some great ideas for vanities and shaving cabinets that will work for you. And if you're stuck, you can speak to Sharon, our online designer, on the chat line or by phone. If this has prompted you to consider a project around the home, please call us on 1300 459 305 or click the link to our website. Have a great day. Stay safe.